Good morning, everybody. It's Hari Swaminathan. It is October 2nd around 7 a.m. in the morning. Looking at our positions here, so let's take a look at Apple. Apple, yesterday we added 5 more contracts at the 505. You can see our shorts on the put side is at 460. That's fine. It's on the call side that we have to that we had to worry about. Let's go take a look at this. So this is fine. Today you can see the markets are down on the futures. So if this comes back, then we still get a opportunity for about 2200 profit. But of course, at some point we may want to take off these 5 extra calls. All right, so that's as far as Apple. On Costco, see, Costco releases earnings on the 18th, I believe. Let me just check that. It On the 9th, I'm sorry, 9th of October. So in general, Costco does well, and even if it doesn't, if it disappoints, then we'll worry about it at that time. I know the on the margin, this is quite a bit of it's showing a paper loss quite a bit, but that's okay. I think it will come up. Costco is very strong, and there's no indication that Costco is going to disappoint. So, but we'll see. If it does, then remember our short calls, the minus 25, are going to be very profitable as it goes down. So there are ways to deal with that, and we have 107 days. That's why whenever we put debit spreads, we give ourselves enough time. So Costco is fine. FedEx, we opened this new trade yesterday, and this is a bull put at the 105 100 level. We don't need to do anything there. Gold is again in play. So even today, I think gold is up, well, not a whole lot, about $10. But what we have now is the shorts, and this should be able to make up for our current loss. So we'll see how that goes. That's at it's at 120 and 128. So that's quite a bit of distance away. Google expires in 9 days. It's at 920, 925. I think we are at a safe distance, and it looks like Google's going to go down. This is a bear call, so it'll do well. Herbalife moved well yesterday, and what we did was we brought in the put side. We had it at the 57.5, 55, and we brought it into 65, 62.5. So that's good. It's still got a slightly negative delta, but that's all right. If you can look at the analyzed graph, I think it's probably sitting right in the middle now. Yeah. So this condor looks good, and we've booked profit also. We've booked a $900 profit on HLF. So, and again, MasterCard is again expiring in about 2 weeks. So is HLF, and MasterCard is expiring in 2 weeks. It's at 677, well situated between our short put at 625 and short call at 720. At this point, we don't need to do anything. We are already showing a profit of 1100. But bear in mind, on this trade, we have booked a loss of 900. So we have, that's our booked loss on MasterCard. Netflix is, as usual, moving like crazy. So we'll see what it does today. You can see it's at 324. Yesterday it went up by $14, $15 again. So our short call is at 340, 345. We are still okay. However, let's see how Netflix behaves today because of the negative market pressures. I'm hoping next Netflix falls back to around 320, maybe even 315 would be even better. So let's see how that goes. And then we have the Tesla trade. And on Tesla, we put a bear call, and that's got 16 days left. That's doing well. So we don't need to touch that. So let's just watch the market. From the time this whole government shutdown thing has come, there's quite a bit of up and down moves. So, and we've got a few trades that we are watching. So I don't know if I'm going to look at new trades now. We've got, at least for this week, let's see how we can manage these positions. Thanks.